Boo.
Hugh Everett. You thought of the many worlds interpretation of quantum physics.
Yes, although I called it relative state formulation.
We challenged the Copenhagen interpretation. You introduced an entire new approach to quantum mechanics. You're a legend.
Julius! Thank you, Julius. Are you a believer, Sophie?
A believer?
Oh, no. Not in God. Don't be ridiculous. But... Marie? I'm as atheist as they come. And I think you know what I'm talking about.
Marie Curie. Madame Curie. Julius J. Robert Oppenheimer.
Do you want to join the club?
You didn't commit suicide. None of you did.
No, not directly, but playing around with radioactive isotopes, or drinking, or eating, or smoking as much as I did. Well, causality takes us all to our deaths. My daughter, on the other hand, she took a more direct approach.
I know. Her suicide note said
That she was going to another universe to be with me.
this is a 6-shooter.
Yes.
But we pulled the trigger 6 times.
I guess it misfired.